Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I said that I was going to do the makeup look that I had for my cousin's sweet 16. I'll put some pictures here so you guys can see the makeup looks that, well, the makeup look that I did. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to first start off by concealing my eyes. Well, I gotta fix this lighting because the sun is like going crazy. Okay. So we're just gonna conceal the eyes first. Just blend that in. So the first color we're gonna be using is gonna be in the Carly by Belle palette. And the color that we will be using is, let me fix this lighting now. Oh, she bright. So, okay. So I'm gonna be using this like purplish, pinkish color type of thing. And we're just going to apply it on the top of our eyelids. Now after, bro, I can't even talk. Anyways, so after blending in the pink, I'm going to be going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'll just be using this black. And I'm going to be using, let me show you guys, a small e.l.f. blending brush. It's very small, just to get in those details. So I'm going to take that black, and I'm going to put it right here. And we're just gonna blend it in to the top of the crease. So now, as you can see, we just packed it on right there, and try to blend it in as much as you can. I really didn't blend it in as much, but to really blend it in, I'm gonna go ahead with that pink brush that I had in the beginning, and I'm just gonna blend those two colors in together because it's just gonna look like rough if I just leave it like that. So make sure you really blend it in there. Now taking a small angled like eyebrow brush, I'm gonna be using that for concealer to do a cut crease. And the concealer that I'll use is the Mary Kay concealer that I really always use. Oh my god, it doesn't work. And this is the one that I found, the one that I said that I lost in the other video. And now it's not working. I guess I'm not using that one then. I'll just use the e.l.f. one. Yeah, I'll be using that one to do the cut crease. Now to clean up the lines around the cut crease, I'll just be going around with the black again. Just to blend that together, I'll be using the pink brush again. Now for the next step, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. smudge brush. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So yeah, I'll be taking that smudge brush and I'll be going in with the black again. And I'll just be applying that to the corner of the lid. Now for the inner corner, I'll be using a shimmer color. So I'm going to go into the Carly by Belle palette and I'll be using this like rose gold shimmer and just be applying that with my finger in the corner of the lid. So now to clean up the edges around the, the shimmer, we'll just be taking that black just to blend it in together. And then I'll be using the blending brush that we use for the pink to go around it. Now in the picture you can see that I was wearing false eyelashes, and the lashes that I'll be using today is the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. Oh no, it's called Starstruck, the type of lashes. These are the lashes that I'll be using. Bro, this lighting is like getting crazy. These are the lashes that I'll be using. But first, I will be curling my lashes and then applying some mascara, and then we'll be applying lashes. Why is there so much damn noise every time I want to record? I literally almost forgot, but in the picture, I was wearing eyeliner. So every time I do my eyeliner, I use like a little card or something to guide myself. What? Bro, okay. So every time I do my eyeliner, I always use a card to like guide myself. And the liner that I'm gonna be using today is the e.l.f. eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna just try to get close so I could use the camera instead. Okay, I got the line in there. Oh my god, now I don't need the card. So now I'm just gonna follow the line. I'm filming. Bro.
You think if you film me, I have to stop doing the stuff?
So rude. Oh my god. I'm just telling her that I'm filming and she just went off on me. If you heard it, please give this video a like because she's going crazy. I'm sweating right now because I had to turn off the AC because it was going to be very loud for the video. So I finished applying the liner and I did a little bit of mascara too, and I curled my lashes. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. lashes, and the glue that I'll be using is, I gotta find it. It's here somewhere. Oh, it's called Duo. Yeah, it's called Duo. This is what it looks like. Hold on, let me fix the lighting. That's how the package comes. So now let's apply our lashes. So I'm not an expert in putting lashes, like I'm really not. Like I know I mess up all the time, but I know that you're supposed to apply the lash glue and then you wait like at least like 30 seconds to dry like a little bit, and you apply it according to like the line of your real lashes. So I'm letting it dry a little bit because that's what it said. I'm really not an expert, so yeah, don't come at me, please. It's been like, okay, it's been like 30 seconds, so let's apply them. Wait, I have to do this off camera because I can't be holding the mirror and like showing you guys, so I'll be right back. So I finished applying the lashes. I put some mascara and stuff. It came out okay, like it's not like perfect. Oh my god, do you see this sweat mustache, guys? I'm like sweating so hard. But anyways, I'm gonna do this eye off camera because I'm just gonna try to turn the AC on because it's so freaking hot, because literally the camera is like leaning on the AC and like everybody's dying. So I'm just gonna put the AC on for a few, and I'm gonna do this eye, and I'll just come back to you with the finished result. I'll do my foundation and everything because I really don't need to do that on camera. Like, you guys see the routine all the time, but I'll see you when this whole process is done. You'll see me with my face done in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you were wondering what color my cousin's dress was, I'll be posting pictures all over the screen, and I'll be posting some pictures of me wearing the makeup. And so in the last clip, my sister walked in. That's why I had to end the video. But yeah, oh my god, everybody's so loud. But yeah, this was the dress that we had to wear, and with this makeup look, it looks really cute. Oh, she cute or whatever. And yeah, my cousin looked cute, I guess, but no, I'm just kidding. In all realness, she looked really cute. It was her day, and it was a really good party. It was a good experience. It really brought us close to our family. God, everybody's so loud. Sorry, got deodorant on. No, but it really brought us close with our family. I really got close to my cousins. I got close to my cousin Adrian. I got close to my cousin William. Like, yeah, we were like close, but you know, we got closer because we're just that cool cousins. Oh my god, low power mode. It's on 20%, my phone. But yeah. Oh, and the lipstick that I use, it's from e.l.f. Everything I use literally is from e.l.f. because they're really good. But it's called Praline. I'll write it right here because I really don't know how to say it. Praline, something like that. And yeah, and then, whoa, everything's falling on me. And then the highlight that I used from the Carly by Belle palette. I used this gold color, and you can see she's really shimmery or whatever. Mouth pop. But yeah, it was a good party. It was a good experience, and I wish all my best wishes for her. I mean, I already did, like, her party already passed, but still, I keep giving her wishes because I love her so much. Like, I love you, Catherine. Shout out to you, Catherine. If you're watching this, hey girl, what's up? But yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below what you want to see next. I was thinking my cousin is going to do a video with me. We're gonna do like a makeup challenge. Like, we're gonna put like a border in between us, and then I'm gonna tell her how to do makeup, and you know, she has to do it without us looking, you know. But yeah, that was the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new. Hi, I'm Kelly, and please give me a big thumbs up, because please, 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 and please subscribe. It helps me a lot, please. And yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.